Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find Bitcoin BTC address in Binance. So let's get started. So BTC is the short form of Bitcoin, and if you want to find your BTC address in Binance, what you have to do is simply open up your Binance application. After opening up your Binance application, now you'll find the portfolio option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a deposit option. Just tap on deposit, and from here in the top you will find a BTC option. You can just simply tap on it, and from here you can access your BTC address, or you can just in search bar search for BTC. And after searching for BTC, now you should find your BTC option. Just tap on it, and then make sure that you tap on Bitcoin. After tapping on Bitcoin, from here you can see guys, you will find your deposit address. So now if you want to send them, what you have to do is just simply copy that address. So just simply select a person that you want to send and then send it to them. And now what they can do is just simply copy this address and they can deposit from here. So you can also copy your address and send it in that way, or you can also send the QR code. I would suggest you to send your QR code because that is the safest way to transfer your Bitcoin from one wallet to another. So that's it guys, this is how to find Bitcoin BTC address in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.